Alright friends, here we go. We got some chicken broth, the taco seasoning, some beans, and let's get our avocado oil so we can saute these onions. And add yourself some can of tomatoes. That's great. And now 2 cans of chicken broth. Get yourself some beans. These are vegetarian beans, but add any kind you like. I like beans. Add yourself a taco packet because it's way easier this way. You can put your own seasonings if you want. I had some corn, so add corn. You don't have to. You can add black beans too if you want. Now turn it on high because you're going to want to bring it to a boil. Stir it up. Do-si-do. Here we go. Now turn it down and it's going to be time to add your chicken. Oh wow friends, this smells amazing. Let's mix it up. Grate yourself some cheese because I like a lot of cheese. It's ready. And it's amazing. The video doesn't do justice. This soup is just so good. Definitely going to be making this one again. You gotta have the cheese. Oh wait, what's this? And some sour cream. Time to eat. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. You gotta have tortilla chips. And here's John, ready to have his soup. Well, thanks for watching, friends.
You gotta have the tortillas.